Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create playlist series and how to use playlist series to get more watch time on your YouTube videos. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing and online business. I'm a YouTube certified marketer and I've been able to create a full-time income from myself from my online endeavors. And I want to help you do the same so that you can wake up in the morning and do something you love instead of doing something you hate. So let's get into it. Now, the reason why this video is very important, first of all, a lot of people are just not using playlists. If you're not using playlists, then you're putting yourself in a massive disadvantage because you're making it harder for new people to come to your channel and be able to easily find the type of content that they want. But also, this actual playlist series feature makes it so that when people are watching one of the videos in your series playlist, YouTube actually will suggest more of the videos in that series to the person who's watching that. So let's say, for example, I'm watching a video in my Instagram stories playlist. If I made this a series, then when I watch a video from this series, YouTube will show me other videos from that series on the right hand side as I'm watching this. This will lead to you getting more watch time on your channel. This will lead to people watching more of your videos, and as people watch more of your videos and as you get more watch time, you're going to get more subscribers, more views, more money, all that sort of great stuff. So that's why this is important. You really want to stick to the end of this video so that you can use this properly. So first of all, I'm going to create a new playlist. I could just go to edit an old playlist, but I don't think that that's the best way to do this because I believe there will be some people watching this who have never made a playlist before in their lives. So we're going to new playlist. I don't know why it's actually glitching right about now. Well, as you can see, cannot create a new playlist right about now because it just doesn't want to work. So that was what I was gonna do, but we can't do that. So I've just got to edit a playlist that we've already got. I'm sure you can find out how to create a playlist by going on, using Google and all that sort of stuff. Sorry, I couldn't show you live, but basically you need to go to edit your playlist. So you go to videos and then playlists, and then you'll be able to edit it. If you don't know exactly how to do that, I will show you right now so that you're not confused whatsoever. So as you can see, we're in the video manager. Next, you need to go to playlists within this video manager, and then you will see the edit playlist button. So here it says edit playlist. It might just say edit. So we can click that button, and here it takes us to the actual playlist, and then we need to click the edit button again. So here we're clicking the edit button again, and it will take us to this stage where now we can basically do all that you can do to your playlist. So you can move the videos around, you can change the playlist settings, you can add a description. These are all things that you should do. You should add descriptions, because if you have a description that has your key phrase inside there, then it's going to be easier for your playlist to rank and videos in your playlist to rank, which will get you more views and more watch time and all that sort of great stuff. So definitely don't be lazy. Don't be lazy at all. Now, in order to set up a playlist series, you want to click this playlist settings button. And when you do that, this will pop up. And here you have the option to set as an official series for this playlist. Now, if you didn't know, your videos can only appear in one playlist that is set as a series. So if I set this playlist as an official series, then the videos in this playlist cannot be added to another playlist that has been set as an official series. You can add it to other normal playlists, but your videos can only be in one series at a time. So here we can make the playlist public or whatever. We're gonna just leave this. We'll leave all this sort of stuff, and then we'll just set it as an official series for the playlist. And here we go. Now it's an official series. Remember, your video can only be in one series playlist at a time. If you try and put it in multiple series playlists, that will not work. It will have to delete the video from one of those series playlists. So the way you want to use these series playlists is for your series on your channel, like video playlists that are actually series, not just a common theme or something like that, you can use that. But if you do that and you have a video and multiple playlists, then you can only have it in one series. So I would just use this for like your stuff that's really niche down into one specific theme or one specific series, like my playlist on how to set up your WordPress website. That would be a great series. Like, this is actually a series because it goes video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I do have these videos in other playlists because, you know, these are business tutorials or Thrive themes tutorials or whatever. But in this specific playlist, this is a series that teaches people how to set up a WordPress website for their business. So I'll set this as an official series for this playlist. And there we go. That's how you basically want to use it. And you want to use it because this will allow you to get more watch time on your videos. You generally want to be sharing your videos in playlists. You never want to be sharing a single video because it's not good for you at all. When you use these series, it will show more of your videos in the series on the right hand side, which will get people to binge watch more of your content and get you more watch time, more views, all that sort of great stuff. So definitely use this. Most people out there aren't using this, so if you use this, you're going to be a step above the rest. So please use this. If you want to learn more about how I was able to earn a full-time living from my YouTube channel, then I've got a course that reveals the 5 main steps for YouTube success. And that course is absolutely free. In order to get that, you want to click on the cards or link in the description, or just go to growonyoutube.com/free course. This will also be on the end screen. So definitely grab, yeah, it will be over there. It'll be on my left. So definitely go and grab that if you want to learn more about, you know, going full time on YouTube, making money online, that sort of stuff. Because this is what I want to teach you. I want to get you to the point where you're able to do what you love for a living. And that's my goal basically. But I do have a question of the day, so don't go anywhere just yet. My question of the day is, do you have playlists on the homepage of your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comment section down below. Remember to check out that free course, and I'll see you in the next video where I'll teach you more about YouTube marketing and online business. Peace out.